India is a land of diversity. At LPU, Bharat comes alive through its students. These are the faces of Bharat at LPU.
मेरो पहाड़ रंगीलो पहाड़. Uttarakhand is where creativity flows naturally as it rivers. In temple murals, folk art, festivals, and stories passed down generations. Growing up here means growing up surrounded by color, craft, and a deep respect for tradition and expression. Hi, I am Yana Dhami, a fine arts student at Lovely Professional University. When I first arrived at LPU, I did not feel disconnected from where I came from. Instead, I felt surrounded by something familiar, spaces that inspire, people who create, and an environment that constantly pushes ideas forward. Even miles away from the mountains, I saw Uttarakhand's spirit reflected here. In cultural showcases, student communities, and the respect with which every identity is celebrated. It reminded me that where you come from can continue to live within what you create. What truly stood out to me was how art is treated here, not as a hobby but as a discipline. Studios alive with ideas, workshops that encourage exploration, and mentors who challenge you to think deeper. LPO gives you creativity, both direction and freedom. With the Edu Revolution, students generate revenue that support their education and grades are upgraded on the basis of real projects, real exposure, and real outcomes. You don't just study art here, you live it, build it, and evolve through it. Watching students secure placements, vote crores, step into global organizations, and build careers across diverse industries made me realize something powerful. Growth here is intentional, talent is recognized, nurtured, and given the right platform to rise. Uttarakhand will always be the place that shaped my sensitivity and soul, but LPU became the place where my ideas found scale, my confidence found strength, and my art found its voice. Thousands of students from Uttarakhand are already here, creating, learning, and shaping their futures. To everyone back at home, yo, tumhar leji chho.